Hello friends, I am here today with a delicious dessert that can be cooked easily and has simple ingredients. So stay with me through the whole video and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: milk 2 glasses, rosewater as needed, cornstarch 2 tablespoons, sugar 3 tablespoons, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder half a teaspoon, chocolate for decoration. Well, first I put the cornstarch into a pot. I add cocoa powder to it, and now I add the sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together. Now I add cold milk to it. Stir it well to dissolve the starch in cold milk. When they completely mixed up, I turn on the gas and put the gas flame on medium. Put the pot on the heat and start stirring. You have to keep stirring all the time so that the starch does not become lumpy. Finally, I add cardamom powder and rosewater. Stir the mixture until it reaches the desired concentration. Remove the mixture from the heat and put it into the desired dish. Let it cool a bit to decorate it. In the meantime, melt the chocolate and stir to cool. Pour the liquid but cooled chocolate into the funnel. I cut the head of the funnel very small. Now I start painting with chocolate on the porridge that has been cooled. I hope you make this porridge and enjoy it in cold weather. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.